everybody, and welcome. Today's video we're talking another variation of the Boxycharm Base Box for January. Now if you caught yesterday's video, I actually did a double upload for you guys. I unboxed my Boxycharm PR Base Box for the month of January. Like I said in that video, I have another box coming that is my paid for box where I did get to make the choice and customize that box. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, as always, check my description box as well as in the comment section. I always leave my link down below for y'all, as well as if there are any coupons that are live at least at the time that I do upload, I will have those down there for you guys as well. Anyways, like I said, we have another full variation all ready for you guys, and originally that is what I had sat down to film for you guys, but FedEx actually showed up early with my box. So you're gonna see this torrid top in a lot of outfits because after this video I will be filming my premium unboxing as well for you guys. So anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, we unbox makeup, we chit-chat about makeup, and at the end of the day, it's just makeup. We keep it cute or we put it on mute. So I like to throw that little reminder in there every so often. Anyways, guys, if you're interested in the makeup on my face, I'm trying to be better to tell you guys at the end of the video what is on my face. If I can remember to link it down below for y'all, I definitely will as well. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the next variation we are seeing for our base box. Okay guys, so if you are curious about what I'm talking about when it comes to the base box, Boxycharm has different subscription options that you can sign up for, two of which are monthly subscriptions, and the one we're going to be talking about today is what's called the base box. It's $25 a month and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in there, and you do get to customize one item in the box, so you will always know at least one item that is coming to you, and there are specific dates to make those choices. I will talk about the important date you need to stay tuned for, again, at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and talk about the first option that we are seeing in this, or the first item we are seeing, and this was actually a choice item. I'm super excited about this particular variation because this was the item that I chose for my paid for base box, and this is the Aviant Micellar water. I told you guys in past videos I chose this because you guys had said that you had picked it up in like a Boxycharm pop-up or the add-ons or something like that, and you said it was absolutely amazing, and you know, why not? I think micellar waters are great, especially if you do double cleanses. I've even used them around my eye area before, and I'm not mad about having this one because you guys said it is so like hydrating and amazing, unlike any other micellar water you have ever used before. So I was like, okay, guess I'm gonna be picking that. Moving on from there, this is by Farsáli, and I told you guys in our sneak peek spoilers it was going to be a variation between this particular item and another Farsáli item, and this is the Daily Greens. This is their moisturizer gel, and again, it's Farsáli. I'm excited to see more and more Farsáli in our Boxycharm boxes, and like I said in yesterday's unboxing, I really feel like we're gonna see for sure more Farsáli products in future boxes. So that's the next item in the box. Moving on from there, the next item is by Queen Studio. Now I don't know much about this, but I do, for some reason, it's the name is ringing a bell, like maybe this was in surveys. Let me know if you had this brand in any of your recent surveys. This looks like a duo type of dealio, so it looks like you're going to be receiving in this box a pencil maybe, and then like a liquid type of liner, which I will tell you guys, I like to sidetrack. Welcome to my channel. But I've been trying to do a winged eyeliner with hooded eyes. I came across a TikTok where it's like a way to do it if you have hooded eyes, and I've been playing around with it because you guys know, like, wing liner, not my jam. With mature lids and hooded eyes, it was like, nah, it's just never gonna be my journey. You guys, I'm not mad about trying this little technique out. I feel like it's working for me, and I've been figuring it out. So now I'm no longer upset if I see liquid liners in my boxes. So that is the next item in here. This next item, if you guys saw, I'm gonna grab it for you guys because this was in my PR box. This next item in this particular variation is a Violet Voss All of You Forever palette. If you guys missed yesterday's video, I told you guys I saw that FedEx was going to be delivering my PR packages. But when it comes to FedEx around here, you never know if they're gonna show up at 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m. So I'd kind of like ho-hummed around waiting to put on my eye makeup, and they didn't show until I had finished my makeup. I'm like, are you serious? So in my PR box was the Violet Voss palette. I did do a couple swatches for you guys in that video, and like I told you guys, I will be putting up a video over on Instagram using this palette. I'm sure there's going to be a get ready coming very soon too with some of the products that were in my PR package as well as in my base box that I paid for. You guys know I've been doing get ready with me videos only using my subscription box makeup or my add-on makeup that I purchase and stuff like that. So definitely make sure to stay tuned for that. But this is the palette in that particular variation, and I am so excited about it because I love Violet Voss shadows. I love the formula. I think it's easy to work with, and I feel like even if you are not like a makeup artist, you can figure out how to make these shadows work for you. So that's the next item in there. And then last but not least is the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptides Eye Cream. And again, I wouldn't be mad if I received this because, you know, that delicate eye area needs a little bit of extra hydration. Like right now I've been using, again, another pharmacy product. This is the Cheer Up Eye Mask along with my Tatcha Pearl and Moonlight. I just love to have that extra hydration underneath my eyes, and I'm not mad about seeing something like this because when it has that triple peptide in there, I feel like it's going to obviously help with your fine lines and wrinkles, and I do believe that is what the DNA line with Dr. Brandt is all about. So as far as this variation goes, if I receive this, because like I said, I did choose that micellar water, if I receive this, a-okay, I'd be happy with it. I would have not one issue with one item in this variation. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Now let's talk about the important date. This coming Monday, January 11th, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You still have time to sign up for Boxycharm and make your choices if that is what you want to do. Whether you want to make your choice for the base box or the premium box, January 11th at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is when you can do that. And like I said, I always leave a link to sign up. Any coupons that are live at the time of upload will be down. I can never guarantee how long those coupons are going to be good for, but I do my best to find some for you guys and put them down there in the comment section or in the description box. But like I said, you have time to sign up, get ready, get in there, make your choices. After you make your choices for the base and or the premium box, then you get to shop the add-ons. Let's talk about some of the items we are seeing in add-ons. Am I a geek and overexcited about it? Yes. Why? Because why not? You know, I mean, who doesn't love to save some money? So I went over some of the items with you guys earlier in the week, but now we are seeing brands like Saturday Skin, Peach and Lily, more Violet Voss, Lila B. Yeah, hashtag Boxy made me bougie. And if you don't feel like that statement is true, have you shopped the add-ons? Because I'm telling you, Lila B is not cheap. And when you can get this $38 item for 12 bucks, yeah. We're gonna see some more Milk makeup items, and I'm not mad about that because I actually have on, once again, my little Milk makeup lip and cheek blusher that was in one of our boxes. You guys, I love this stuff, and I wanted to remind you guys the Luxe brush set as well as their beauty blender sponges, whatever they're called, is going to be available. I told you guys the Luxe, I think this is the 504. Yeah, the 504 large angled brush. This is actually a dupe for the Fenty Beauty blush cream contour, whatever it was, blush. This is what I use to apply my cream blush with, and I love this. So the Luxe brush set is going to be available in add-ons if you guys are interested in shopping that. We're also going to see brands like Marc Jacobs, Kosas, and Hank & Henry is going to be available. Kate Somerville. I mean, there's all kinds of goodies are always available in the add-ons, so I always get excited about that. I always give you guys the disclaimer. I know I don't need it, but I want it, and I don't feel as bad shopping the add-ons. So anyways, guys, hopefully now that the holidays are over, shipping is going to be a lot faster. I actually just got off a chat with one of my friends. I had ordered some vitamins from her and they shipped them out December 14th. I'm still waiting. Today is, what is today? January 7th. Yeah, so it's not just, I know it's not just Boxycharm, it's all kinds of different companies as well are struggling because the postal service is very overwhelmed. So anyways, guys, I'm excited. Let me know what you're excited for in your base box as well as add-ons. What do you plan on picking up? Like I said, I'll be back talking to you guys about my premium unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. Still working to get that 10K swipey uppy, new goal for 2021, as well as I do have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and my daughter Haley, where you guys see us do the Ipsy mother versus daughter. She actually has her own channel as well, where she does do unboxings, get ready with me, all of that stuff. So make sure to go check her channel out, show her some love as well. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys. So I did it again. Once again, I ended the video. I forgot to tell you what makeup I had on. So let's go ahead, we'll go over that real quick. Okay, guys, so as far as primer goes, I talked about this actually in my unboxing of my PR base box. I tried out the Farsáli Skin Tune Blur, which I think that you're gonna like unless you have some dry patches, which on my chin, I forgot I had done some retinol and I have some really bad dry patches. So this look like a hot doggone mess. However, in this area right here where I have the largest pores, beautiful, love it, comfortable, didn't show anything that I didn't want shown. Then what I did, wiped everything off and went in with some of my Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This stuff is amazing. It has great hydration to it, and you no longer can see like the dry flaky patches on my chin. So perfect. That's what I used as primer. As far as my foundation and concealer, I actually found this on sale. I think it was 50% off at Ulta. This is the Tarte Face Tape. This is beautiful. It's definitely more of a medium to full coverage type of foundation, but typically I haven't been wearing makeup. So today I wanted to sit down. I wanted to get a little on the glam side. That's what I did. I love this stuff. It's comfortable on my skin. As far as my skin goes, I do have normal to somewhat dry combo skin because of using the retinol products. So this worked well, no issues. Again, I always typically make sure to use the Volition Beauty Serum on there. Amazing. A little bit of Tarte Shape Tape as far as that goes. I did mention, and I forgot to mention in my unboxing video, I do have the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Blush on. Of course, other bronzers and all of that stuff. But then, as far as my lip goes, I like to tell you guys this stuff in case you do shop the add-ons, you're able to pick this stuff up in add-ons. So this is the Real Her I'm Confident. This was, I think, a lip liner duo that we received in past boxes. I have seen these available in add-ons and pop up before. So I have this overlining my lips, making them look plump and juicy, just like I like. Fake it to make it, baby. Then I have a little bit of my e.l.f. tinted lip oil and then some OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Jen Loves Reviews Revive, the lightest shade that was in her lip trio. Put it right in the center and then went back over with a little bit of the lip oil and whip bam boom. There's that. And then on my eyes, almost forgot, the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. It's beautiful palette. Love the shades. And then as far as my lashes goes, just on the outer portion of my lashes, I have the Glamnetic. This is the liquid magnetic eyeliner. And then I picked up some of the Ardell little wispy magnetic lashes. I'll try and make sure to link everything down below for you guys, but I know you guys have been asking me a lot, what's on your lips, what foundation do you have on, all of that, eyeshadow. So I'm trying to at least tell you guys in case I do forget to link it. So anyways, now the video is over. Bye guys.